Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I am going to give you a very important lesson. The name is the form of verb go in present tense, and here I am going to inform you about the form of verb go in present perfect continuous tense. So already I made video on present indefinite tense and present perfect tense and present continuous tense. So I am requesting you just to go to my playlist and watch this video, and then you can get all the information about the form of tenses, how we can form a tense, right? So here I am giving you the form of present perfect continuous tense. So let's start. The form of verb go in present perfect continuous tense, the form subject plus have, has plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. Just I'm going to repeat this. Form subject plus have or has plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. So in order to understand this, where we use this have or has and how to use all these things, let's see a table of go verb, and it will be very helpful for us to understand this. So let's start. Here is the table. In this table, first of all, we can see here it is number, the arrow mark indicating singular number and plural number, and person, this arrow mark downwards indicating person, first person, second person and third person. So if I see first person singular number in present perfect continuous tense from go verb, I can find here I have been going to school. Here if I inform the details, break the sentence, then what will we find here? Number one, I is the subject of this sentence, and have is the helping verb. Been is compulsory, that means be verbs past participle form been. It indicates the perfect form, right? That's why this sentence is perfect. And go is the main verb plus ing. It indicates the continuous, and that's why perfect plus continuous tense. And school is object. Here been indicates, have been indicates the perfect tense, and going indicates the continuous. That's why this sentence is known as perfect continuous tense. So this is the formation I have already given here for the first person singular in present continuous tense for a go verb. And if we see the plural number, then we can find the I replaced with we. Have been going to school. Here we is the subject, have is the helping verb, been is the be verbs third form past participle form, and go is the main verb plus ing, here adding ing, and school is object. So we have been going to school, right? So this is the first person. And if we see the second person, you have been going to school. Here you is the subject, have is the helping verb have, and been already I have informed that be verbs third person means third form past participle form, and going is the go verb is the main verb plus ing form, and school is object. So you have been going to school. And the second form in plural number also remain the same. That's why you have been going to school. Here also you is the subject, have is the helping verb, and been is the third form of verb be means third form of past participle form of be verb, and go is the main verb, ing is the continuous form, and school is object. And at last we can see here the third person of singular number in present perfect continuous tense, he, she, it has been going to school. Here I can see that there is a difference. Replace of have is with has, right? Have is replaced with has because here he, she, it is the singular number of third person, right? So that's why in present tense, present continuous tense or present tense, we can say that's why it is replaced with has. So always we should remember this. In case of singular number in third person in present tense, we always use has in case of perfect tense. So been is the be verbs participle form, right? And third form we can say, and go is the main verb and ing is adding with that so that we can make it continuous form, and school is object. And at last we can see here the plural number in third person of present perfect continuous tense verb go is they have been going to school. Here they is the subject, have is helping verb, and been is be verb third form means participle form, and go is main verb and ing is adding to continuous, showing the continuous, and school is object. So we can say here they have been going to school. So from this table we can understand that only difference is has. Only has is needed in case of third person singular in present perfect continuous tense, and others remain same, have. So if you learn this table very well, then you can easily understand how to write a present perfect continuous tense. Here also I have given the form so that easily we can understand, and with this form we can make lots of sentence. So I am requesting you for your exercise, you make this kind of table with the main verb, as for example read, write, eat, see, and there are lots of main verb available. Whatever you interest you can do. So thank you for watching this video. With best wishes, thanks, have a lovely day.